Namaste. Tomorrow, 26th May, is New Moon Day, Amavasya. And this Amavasya is happening in the sign of Taurus, Vrushabh Rashi. So, how is this going to impact your moon sign? And what is the remedy is what I have discussed in this podcast. Since the Amavasya is falling tomorrow on Monday, 26th May, its effect will continue until the weekend, that is till Saturday. And as this Amavasya is about to happen, many people start getting its effect before it actually happens. You start feeling frustrated, depression comes, negative thoughts come. All these things happen as the new moon day, Amavasya, is about to occur tomorrow on 26th May, Monday. So let's begin with this podcast. Listen to this podcast so that you can take the precautions and sail smoothly through this week. So let's begin. Amavasya or the new moon day is nature's gentle reminder that every ending holds the seed of a new beginning. On 26th May, Monday, this powerful Amavasya begins at 12:15 p.m. and ends the next day, 27th May, at 8:35 a.m. as per Indian Standard Time. This is a delicate time because when the moon is completely combust, the mind too feels clouded. In astrology, the moon represents our emotions, our inner clarity, and during Amavasya, many people experience heightened negativity, confusion, or emotional unrest. That's why this phase is often linked with accidents, arguments, mental breakdowns, even black magic attacks. In my recently published book, Moon in Astrology, I have shared powerful secret remedies to protect and stabilize your mind during such sensitive lunar phases. The book also reveals how each moon phase influences your mental state, mood swings, and inner peace. You can order your copy on Amazon or directly get it from me. Now, coming to this Amavasya, it's happening in Taurus, and Taurus is a sign that governs wealth, comfort, possessions, and emotional stability. If your moon, ascendant, or sun is in Taurus sign, you may feel emotionally heavy or mentally unsettled during this time. Taurus energy can be rigid, it doesn't like sudden changes, but this new moon might bring you face to face with what you have been resisting. Old patterns, emotional baggage, or attachments that are no longer serving your growth. So, as the moon goes dark, it's also inviting you to go inward, to reflect, to release, and to prepare for a more grounded, conscious new beginning. Let us now explore how this Amavasya in Taurus sign may impact you based on your moon sign. Aries moon sign. This Amavasya highlights your financial self-worth and emotional security. You may question your decisions or feel a sense of lack, especially regarding money and recognition. This week, career may feel frustrating or slow. Avoid unnecessary risk in finance. A family member might test your patience, and relationships may demand more softness. Delay all your travel plans for this week. The best mantra remedy is that you should chant Om Shrim Mahalakshmi Namaha. Om Shrim Mahalakshmi Namaha. Chant this powerful mantra to bring peace to your mind and harmony to your material world. And let go of pride. Humility will attract real abundance in your life. Taurus Moon. This is your personal Amavasya. Expect deep emotional purging. You may feel misunderstood or energetically drained. Career may feel unsteady or confusing. Financial anxiety could rise. Relationships might trigger insecurity. Stay calm at home. Avoid controlling others. Skip travel if it's not essential. The best mantra remedy is chant Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Chant the Shiva mantra to release emotional heaviness and invite clarity. And be kind to yourself. You are shedding old layers, so trust the process. Gemini. Subconscious patterns may surface this week. You may feel anxious without knowing why. At work, misunderstandings can drain energy. Finances stay okay, but don't lend money. Family or past memories may trouble you. Relationships may feel emotionally distant. Travel offers little satisfaction. The best mantra remedy is chant Om Hanumate Namaha. Om Hanumate Namaha to gain strength, focus, and protection from mental restlessness. And remember, sometimes doing nothing is the deepest form of healing. Cancer. This Amavasya brings focus on your social and emotional belonging. A friendship may end or shift. Career remains steady but slightly dull. Finances may improve midweek. Family may seem aloof. In love, you may crave emotional depth but feel disappointed. Postpone any leisure travels. Chant the mantra Om Dum Durgaye Namaha. Om Dum Durgaye Namaha to stay empowered and emotionally guarded. And remember, emotional detachment is not a flaw, it is a spiritual self-respect. Leo. Career becomes the battleground this week. Bosses or co-workers may test you. Don't take it personally. Financially, it's best to pause. Emotional distance at home may bother you. In love, avoid ego clashes. Travel brings more stress than joy. The best mantra remedy is chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Chant this beautiful Vasudev mantra to restore inner dharma and calm your pride. Remember, recognition is temporary. Self-respect is eternal. Virgo. Your beliefs and future plans may come into question this week. It's okay to not have all the answers. Career may lack direction. Don't force results. Money stays manageable. Avoid legal or academic decisions. Relationships may feel stagnant. A spiritual retreat may help more than casual travel during this week. The best mantra remedy is to chant the Vishnu mantra. Chant Om Vishnave Namaha. Om Vishnave Namaha. Om Vishnave Namaha to receive divine guidance and clarity during this week. And remember, let life unfold. The divine has a better plan than your mind. Libra. You may feel vulnerable about emotional trust and shared responsibilities. Let go of attachments gracefully. Career is steady, but you may feel unseen. Avoid risky financial deals. Family ties feel distant. Intimacy in love needs honesty, not control. Travel may be mentally draining, so avoid long travels. The best mantra remedy for this week is to chant the Kala Bhairav mantra. Om Kala Bhairavaya Namaha. Om Kala Bhairavaya Namaha. Om Kala Bhairavaya Namaha. Chant this beautiful mantra to cut toxic cords and reclaim your inner power. Remember, you are not losing people, you are shedding illusions. Scorpio, relationships will come into focus. This week may test your emotional maturity in love and partnerships. Career holds minor stress. Finances are stable. Family expectations may clash with personal desires. Avoid arguments in love. Space will help. Don't initiate travel now. The best mantra remedy for Scorpio is to chant the beautiful Rama mantra. Om Shri Ramaya Namaha. Om Shri Ramaya Namaha. Chant this beautiful mantra to strengthen emotional resilience and restore peace. And remember, real strength is being calm when everything feels loud. Sagittarius, stress related to work, service, or health may surface. Avoid perfectionism, it will exhaust you. Finances need care, no shortcuts. Family routines may feel burdensome. In relationships, don't overextend. Gentle rest is going to help you. Short, purposeful travel for wellness may benefit you. The best mantra remedy for this week is to chant the Vasudev mantra. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Chant this beautiful mantra for healing and clarity. And remember, let your service come from love, not obligation. Capricorn, this Amavasya may bring emotional dissatisfaction in matters of love, creativity, or parenting. Career is okay, but you may lack joy. Finances may be spent on indulgences. Watch your spending. Family feels neutral. Relationships need tenderness, not judgment. Travel brings little joy now, so avoid traveling during this week. The best mantra remedy is to chant the beautiful Rama mantra. Om Shri Ram Ramaya Namaha. Om Shri Ram Ramaya Namaha. Chant this beautiful Rama mantra to invoke joy, sweetness, and healing in the heart. Remember, reconnect with what truly brings you joy, not what impresses others. Aquarius, home and emotional roots may feel disturbed. You may feel like withdrawing from everything. Career demands could feel burdensome. Finance remains stable. Emotional friction at home or with mother may arise. Love feels dull. Don't force closeness. Avoid travel unless it is a spiritual travel. Chant the powerful Shiva mantra. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. To restore inner harmony and motherly grace. Remember, peace begins when you stop arguing with life. Pisces, Your mind may feel foggy and scattered. Overthinking can create imaginary problems. Career remains normal, but decision making suffers. Be cautious in financial commitments. Family communication may be tense. In love, avoid assumptions. Travel for spiritual reasons may soothe you. So, if you want to travel, travel for spiritual reasons, such as visiting a specific temple or a pilgrimage place. The best mantra remedy for Pisces is to chant this powerful Ganesha mantra. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Om Gam Ganapataye Namaha. Chant this beautiful Ganesha mantra to clear mental clutter and restore inner peace. And remember, silence isn't empty, it's full of divine answers. Jai Sri Ganesha, Jai Guru.
ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः। ॐ गं गणपतये नमः।